Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ, and don't forget, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my videos as they come online. Okay, so this video is just going to be a quick fire update, a bit like the last one. We're going to be looking at Cryptomininggame and also the Bitcoin Cash mobile game as well, giving you some hints and tips on how to boost your accounts. Okay, so here we are looking at my account in Cryptomininggame. So there's a couple of things firstly we want to get into. Obviously, the change to my account is that I am now up to level 12. Okay, and the good news on getting to level 12, if we go into messages, for those of you that have maybe not seen this or read it, or even know about it, if we go into CMG information, and we click on here, they are now saying that to withdraw, you've only got to reach level 12. You've not got to reach level 15. And also, if you want to withdraw coins, there is a minimum on each coin. But if you want to withdraw that straight to hashing power, there is no minimum. So if you want to quickly build up that hashing power, as you build up the coins, go and exchange it for your hashing power, and you will build that up a lot faster. Okay, so that's a good thing, obviously. So the next thing we want to be looking into is some misinformation that I gave you, which I'm very sorry about. So if we go into withdrawals, I actually showed you, obviously, about the mining and the three coins, which is Dash, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash, which you can't mine unless you are a Premier member. But you can build. You can build by selecting those coins when you do your jobs. The only problem is when I came in here to withdraw the cash. So if you go into what to withdraw, you can't withdraw those three coins because look, the drop down does not go to that point. So for those of you that have been building that up using your jobs, I'm very sorry. Obviously I didn't realize that until I came to withdraw myself. But I do think it's a bit weird, the fact that they'll allow you to actually accumulate it, but you can't withdraw it. So I worked on the basis of the fact that they were allowing you to accumulate it through your jobs, that you would be able to withdraw it. But that is a bit of misinformation I've given you, so I hold my hand up and say I'm very sorry for that. So basically, until you get to either 1,000 hashing power, which then you become a premium member by default, just automatically you become a premium member, or you pay for a premium membership, you basically just mine those three coins, and when you're doing your jobs, only select those three coins. Okay, because obviously, I mean, if you go into my account, if we go into coins, you can see here I've got 476 in BCH, so Bitcoin Cash, 2,476 in Ether, and 671 in Dash, and I can't access them until I get to 1,000 hashing power. So basically, I've just been building up my Litecoin. And that's sort of what my aim is at the moment, and also been doing a bit of BTC as well. Okay, so what we're looking for is I'm going to be showing you the tips. This is some of you might know this, you might have already figured it out anyway, so it's cool. But if we go into quests, so we're in quests, and basically obviously we build up this one by default by doing our quests. This one is obviously you've got your mining quests. As you can see, I've already claimed my 2 hours of mining. I'm up to 80% on my 5 hours and 40% on my 10 hours. So these are the two main blocks of rewards we're looking at, unless you are out there doing the world missions and doing the crypto mining war game and all that kind of stuff. Because obviously in my first video, and for those of you that are not familiar with this game, I will put a video to my a link to my earlier video in the description. Go and check that out, and that gives you basically everything you need to know to get your account up and running, and basically just gives you the essentials to help you build your account and earn coins. So I will put that in the description, but also as well up here I'll put that same link for you YT viewers. I'll put that at the top there as well. Okay, so what are my hints and tips? So really at the end of the day, as you saw in the first video, which again, go and check that out, when we earn these crates, that they come jam-packed, full of stuff, absolutely full of stuff, full of energies, crystals, coins, everything you need. So obviously the biggest thing that you want to do to build your account fast is earn as many of these rewards as possible. Okay, so in the job request it says 5 jobs to earn your cards, 10 jobs to earn a bronze crate, and 20 jobs to earn a silver crate. And this is basically what I'm going to show you. So if we go to jobs, as you can see here, I've already got 3. I've already done 3. So if we claim those, so what you'll see here is, look, 1 minute. That's all I did. But that is classed as one job. That is classed as one job. So that's 1 job down out of 5. Okay, so we do this, and obviously it's given us a little bit of experience, a little bit of coins as well. So again, 1 minute. So we click on here. Oh, okay, so we scroll down. Didn't quite like that, so we click it on again. Okay, so again, 1 minute, right? So there we go, and we earned 13 Latoshis on that one. Just click into space, and then so if we just click 1 minute, start. One minute, start. I pick Latoshis and then go 1 minute, start. Okay, so as you saw, I'd already done 3, which we claimed, and then we 29 seconds. Okay, so basically, as you can obviously probably understand what I'm doing. So what I do is I'll do 1 minute on each of these until I get all my boxes. So basically 20 jobs, yeah? And then once I've got all those, I will then start I'll basically, the rest of the time I'll do it for hours. So the cool thing is you can do your crystals, your coins or whatever for an hour each. And you can just go. You can just close your account down, come back in an hour, and then pick all those up. So okay, so we've claimed that one. So again, as you see, 1 minute and 1 minute, and as I claim this, we should get a request. There you go. Look, you see, quest done. So that's your 5. So that took you 5. That's 5 minutes. And I say, if you do that on all of them, so in 20 minutes you've just claimed your card bonuses, you've claimed your 2 crates, and then obviously that's it. So we just go claim that. So And that's it. That is it. This is going to build your account so much faster if you do this, because obviously you're going to be getting your crates, you're going to be getting all the rewards and everything from those crates. And then, like I say, once you've done that, then you can just go back into your jobs. Because obviously you're getting skill points which you can boost your skills. So obviously I'm on level 3 now, so I'm getting a 3% bonus on anything I'm getting from here. I'm getting a 3% bonus on that as well. So you know, obviously if we check my inventory, I've got 5 skill points built up from crates I got from yesterday, and all that kind of stuff, and it's just going to build your account a lot faster. So like I say, for the first 20 minutes, just do those at 1 minute a job, go and get all your rewards, and then after that you can set each one to however long. I mean, obviously since I've gone up to level 12, this now has given me 6 hours. I get 6 hours of work time. I think on a level 11 you got something like 5.5 or 5 or something like that. So I jumped up like an hour or half an hour by leveling up. And then, like I say, you can put each one of them on an hour and then just log out. And then come back in an hour's time. Obviously making sure that you keep mining, so then you can also then claim your 5-hour, 10-hour mining bonuses as well, which also give you crates, cards, all those kind of things. So like I say, that is just a quick fire update on something that for some weird reason hadn't occurred to me before, and then it just popped into my head, and just in case it hadn't occurred to you guys, I just wanted to bring that to you and show you that basically that is something I think that everybody should be doing. Obviously helps your account out and gets you building up those levels a lot faster. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin Cash mobile game, which earns you free Bitcoin Cash by simply playing a little numbers game, lottery game, as it were, and then also you can do surveys and stuff like that. So in my last video I talked about how originally when you went into the add gem, make sure it's the add gem survey thing you're clicking on, not the add gate, and then you scroll down, or sometimes it's right at the top, and it just says easy surveys. And basically if you went in there and it was, I mean, I do run a VPN on my mobile and I think it does pick that up, and a lot of the times it will not ask me to even fill in one question, and basically with the people that you're using, which is the Theoremreach survey company, even if you don't fill in any questions, they will always give you a default reward. So that default reward was 140. In the last video I did, which was Ask RJ episode 11, which I've just posted, I noted that default reward had gone up to 175. Now if you look here on the left hand side and you scroll, if you go into your Bitcoin Cash game, go into the add gem rewards, as you can see, here's a picture of the free survey link, or the free survey button. If when you click on it, it says 500,000 on it, because I'm not sure if this has been boosted again because things like the price of Bitcoin has dropped. And everything else that's happening around the world. I don't know, because it was at 200,000, then it went to 250, which then the standard reward went to 175. Now it's at 500,000, and the standard reward now is 350 satoshis, even if you do not answer one question on the Theoremreach or the easy survey link. If you go in there, click on any of the server, if you do not answer one question, you are getting 350 Satoshis at one go. And obviously that is rapidly going to get you up to that minimum of 10,000 BCH, so you can withdraw it really, really fast. Obviously play the game as well, do the bonuses, but come in. I really advise you to come into the surveys now. Like I say, if you can get yourself, download some crabby VPN so they pick it up, and you'll hopefully, like me, you won't really have to fill out any questions, and you'll be getting that 350 Satoshis reward straight away. And I did this morning, I did about 4 of them. I got something like 1,400 or 1,600 Satoshis or something like, I don't know what it was, for 5 minutes work. So, just get in there, get it done. And for those of you that obviously are not familiar with the game, I will put a link to it in the description to an earlier video so you can see the game, how it works. And for YT viewers, I'll put that link at the top here as well. Okay, so that's it. That is it. That is our quick fire update on those 2 things that have basically just altered, changed, and updated for for our benefit. So obviously with the crypto mining game, you know what to do there, and with the BCH mobile game, you know the rewards are available now. So, like I say, take care of yourselves, look after you, make sure that relatives, anyone like that is taking care of themselves. You are staying in touch with them. Please listen to what they're telling you on the news, and stuff like that. And obviously, if you could smash that like button, that would be absolutely amazing. Really helps me out, helps my channel out, and that helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great weekend, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.